Docs has an excellent revision history, the ability to go back and see changes made to your doc over time, and even restore to that version. To see the revision history of the doc, click All Changes Saved in Doc link at the top center of your screen. It could also be a time or date. It might not say this exact same text. However, it is always going to be in this same location. Once you click it, it is going to open up the revision history pane on the right hand side. Here we can see significant dates and chunks of revision history time. To see every incremental change you have made to the doc, you can expand this version. This will show you distinct changes and when they were made in your doc. Remember, Google automatically saves any modifications you have made. Something that you can do is name a particular saved version. I can click on the saved version and give it a title. For example, I might have made a minor text error on this version, so I will call it this and hit enter. This way, if somebody is going through my revision history, if I have shared with someone, they will know what to accept from that revision batch. From here, I can click on this section and see what changes were made. I can also see what time these changes were made. And I can see also who made these changes. As you can see, the primary editor of this was me, and is only me because this document is private. As you can see my name, and I have a color assigned to me, which in this case is light green. If I had shared this doc with more people, as those people logged in and made their changes, their name would also be here along with the color. If I click on the history and scroll down, I can see these changes. And I'll see the changes in particular color of the person who is editing. So I can glance at it and see what the changes were. For example, here I have made some few grammatical changes to this edit bunch. If we look at the revision before this, I might find different changes. Now let's restore version. So let's say I was editing this and I accidentally deleted this and our tab got closed to an older version. To do this, we will go again to our version history and select a version from earlier. We will select the version that has the parts that we have removed from earlier and select restore this version. After selecting restore this version, they will prompt us if we want to restore this version. Select restore. From previous version will be reverted to the new version. This means that the version from earlier will be bumped up to the top, and all versions from before will still be there. You have now learned how to use version history in Google Docs.